documenting our move today. Camera work by Amy and Araki, and right now she's using some tungsten daylight to film me. You're probably seeing a nice glow, so I'm glad.
The alarm code? Do you know how to get in? Do I just use my code?
No, don't do that.
Oh god, this is gonna be complicated.
Oh, you know what?
I'm totally gonna set the alarm at work now.
How is the fridge carryable?
No. Do you want me to just stop by U-Haul and pick up a dolly?
Yeah, I do too. Yeah, we'll stop by the vault.
You will? Are you sure?
Yeah. Look what you got there. Show me the goods, Amy.
Camera toting motherfuckers, aren't you?
You know it.
Walk around the
Hey, I went to film school, not audio school. It's been 2 years of neglect. I've got to make up for it.
I thought you were Asian when I first read your name.
I know, everyone says that. Okay.
Amy Naraki.
All right.
Get
Bye,
out of
guys.
here.
Oops. We've all had like 4 hours of sleep. Woo! Therefore, here we go. Bailey's really excited. Are you excited? Are you excited? We're gonna leave you, dog. But then we're gonna come back. Is that cool? Is that cool, Bailey? Bailey, can you sit? Good boy. Moving the fridge. Make some man noises. Then we wouldn't have one to eat out of.
Might want to move.
I'm going to.
Okay,
let's get our game plan rolling here. Okay, ready? Just all I need for you is moral support.
I'm gonna be pushing from the bottom, so.
Okay, stare. Oh, here we go.
Here we go.
Come on.
Stare. Stare. Stare.
I'm not trying to be annoying, but just look out for the awning above you.
We're good. Stare. Stare.
Yay!
Watch out for this little wind chime thing so you don't destroy it.
Here's the cord. What? Yay! Woo!
Sorry, I swear any tests.
Yeah. Okay. Stare. Stare.
Good job, guys.
Stare. Okay. Stare. 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 Stare.
Almost one more.
One more and then we'll pull you back with
Pivot.
3 more stairs, something like
3 more. And then there's a ramp. That's nice. Oh,
That's what you do.
whatever. If you want to, I don't really want it.
Thanks for being my back.
Yay!
Oh wait, hey Amy, are you recording?
Yes. Wait.
Oh,
Oh, I missed it.
Fart?
yeah.
Is it gonna smell everything up?
Okay, set it down. Coming down. Oh, lovely fridge.
Good job! Yay!
Does the fridge have a light in it?
Have a light in it?
Yeah.
It should.
It's mine now. Yes.
Yeah, it does.
Thank you, God. Maybe you guys stack the other table on top of this one.
George, you're so freaking.
Yeah. Just move in.
Oh, you guys, I gotta pee and I can't use my bathroom now that John pooed in it.
Wait, what? Yeah.
That's hot. Wait, let me take a picture. Ready? Here we go. Awesome.
Let's go.
Yeah!